Teddy guinea pig. Teddy guinea pigs have fluffy fur like teddy bears. They are gentle and friendly. Cocker spaniel. Cocker spaniels have long ears and soft fur. They love to run and play fetch. Cockatoos have white feathers and big crests. They are loud and love attention. Ball python. Ball pythons are calm snakes that curl up into balls. They are gentle pets. Persian cat Persians have long, fluffy fur. They like quiet places and gentle petting. Siamese cat. Siamese cats have short fur and bright blue eyes. They are talkative and social. Golden retriever. Golden retrievers are friendly and smart dogs. They love swimming and playing. Hermit crab. Hermit crabs live in shells and like to dig. They move sideways and are fun to watch. African gray parrot. African gray parrots are very smart talkers. They have gray feathers and bright eyes. Chihuahuas are tiny dogs with big personalities. They are brave and love cuddles. Papillon are small dogs with big butterfly-like ears. They are energetic and smart. Norwegian forest cat. Norwegian forest cats have thick fur and big paws. They love climbing and exploring. Fancy mouse. Fancy mice are colorful and quick. They like to run and play in their cages. Cockatiels have soft feathers and crests. They enjoy singing and being friendly. Pugs have wrinkly faces and curly tails. They are funny and love attention. African dwarf frog. These tiny frogs live in water and hop around. They are fun to watch and easy to care for. Chinchilla. Chinchillas have super soft fur. They love dust baths to keep clean. Beagles have floppy ears and strong noses. They love to explore and sniff around. Maltese dogs have long white fur. They are gentle and love to cuddle. Sugar glider. Sugar gliders are small marsupials that can glide through the air. They are cute and active at night.